that she was in gym shoes?
I did not.
And her gray pants?
I did notice the pants, which I thought was weird. I was like,
El carro, tiene frío, el carro.
It was pretty bad. She was in a collar.
in a collar?
Neck collar.
Is she wearing it now? Want more?
Right on my seat. That's where I'm supposed to sit. Go! Cut it! There you go. What I missed?
I just went. He's got a crowd today.
What's up, neighbor?
Yay! Oh, yeah, it's in my house. Are you going to dinner? Yes.
She's like 130s, but she's like, because when your dad stopped over, he was talking about teachers for the actual go. She took more medicine and I don't know. I know it's
Yeah, why don't you zip up, baby?
She got new pajamas and she wanted to wear them. And I was like, you know what? Why not?
And a pajama.
Okay, Brian, so you can do it. Right?
No, it just started. But the ref from Thursday's flag are on this side.
It's David, bro. Fuck. It's David. David. It's David.
Yourself was never get.
The kid. The kid referee.
Act like we don't feed you.
Seriously.
Assistant ref.
He's Lunchables for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
You see him?
She doesn't even have to ask. She just take it.
He's back in out in the Russell Street.
That one is just
Let's go, Violet.
How's Emma Rose doing?
She's doing okay.
She's our friend's here today.
She's hurting.
Yeah, I noticed.
Yeah. She's hurting today.
She's hurting. She's been hurting the last couple of days.
Kind of repeating herself a lot today.
Gotta love I reported to IWSO.
It just, she's already on medication for what they would do to heal her brain, but it just takes time. Yeah, I wasn't sure if there was like a, you just, a lot of reminding. Very do that now. I did.
He fell on the ground and broke it, hurt his ankle. They found
Yesterday,
the hole in the field.
They're going to ask me.
Pretty much should just have a room in the ER. I mean, I had to bring Mia's diagnosis with me because we were freaking flyers at the I was like, I swear, she just has.
She's just a closet.
Run!
Kick it out!
There he goes, set it! Right there! There you go. Have one? Been out there?
It's her, like, I haven't been
but like,
No se quiso bajar. ¿Qué dice? Tengo frío.
No quiere.
Ya te hubieras quedado con él. Yeah, I need to get names to the faces.
Yep.
Michaela talks about some of the, but I can never
Yeah.
Yeah,
when you see them.
from what impacted, yeah. Of your car, my black sheep.
Spokojnie, Mila, przyjmij. Do przodu. Hop. Dawaj, Mila, brawo.
You have to finish that one. Finish that one first.
A? Brawo.
Oh, thank you.
O.
I forgot it. I forgot it.
Yeah. Pick up the pretzel and bring them over here so they don't have to fill. What do you say? Mia, you have your water. You should drink some. All you drink is like not anything.
My mom didn't want anything. We should have. Anything but water.
White.
Not sugar.
Sophia, do you need help?
Another one in the back. She wasn't married.
That's not our.
Shot in.
What's again, Sophia Shatner?
I'm like, who act like you didn't eat a meal before you came here? Why do you just go up to people and ask for
Because it's
food?
spelled the same way. Mr. Danny always gets the word.
Where's no Kayla?
She's on the bench. She just came sitting up.
Is Candy out?
Yep.
Yeah. That's your neighbor.
Pokaż mi, do przodu. Bardzo ładnie. Jula!
Like the child game. Look at the Emma. Emma. I don't tell you. Emma. Emma, what you're doing?
Next one is blind. Next one is blind.
That's the one that we auditioned.
Oh,
Ready to run. Oh yeah, that's the one that was trying on the
conversation with him.
Oh, there will be. I want to.
What he said that what it was when there was offside, he was like a deflection or something.
Deflection, yeah. And then a handball
Yeah.
and an elbow.
Never got black coffee.
Bravo, Mira.
Shoot!
Podaj do Juli. Wiesz ty. Podejdź do niej bliżej, Netko. Podejdź, żeby miała do ciebie podać. Do środka, Dula, chodź. Podaj. Do środka, Dula.
Yes! Yeah.
Środka. Walczy, ale ją łatwo minąć. Prawda, jak się ominie, to już jej nie kupię. Biegnie jak ma minąć kogoś. Tak. Dula, mocniej musisz podawać.
I'm done with soccer.
Oj. Dobra, bierzą. Do boku i idziesz sama, do środka, ścinaj. Jedziesz sama. Ja, jest twoja. Spokojnie. Idzie. Przed nią. Bardzo ładnie. Ciśnij Dula. Dawaj Dula, dawaj, sama! Widać, podania nie ma żadnego obrotu z kolei. Łatwiej właśnie. Oj. There you go.
Oh my.
Dawaj Dula.
Yeah, baby.
Is on pink.
Yeah, it's on the road. She's our girl.
Yeah.
My mom is his sister Jane.
It's Emma.
Jednej, przed siebie.
But Loki in
Brawo.
Mario forget what apple to write. Not that one.
No.
Touch the pink on neck.
Yeah.
When
They were there, remember?
Daj Dula, daj.
Emma. Her name is Emma.
But I just got that.
Twoja Emila, twoja. Bardzo ładnie. Dula, biegnij. Dawaj Dula, dawaj. Idziesz, sama. Dawaj, go. Dobrze. Dula, idź do baksy.
Mia.
No tam. Była ta zakurzona wolna biegu.
Yeah, but I can't put high seat anymore. Come on, Mom. Goodbye.
Nie kopnij teraz, bo
Tell you what.
podejdź mi na bliżej, podejdź, nie bój się.
Nie bój się. Tak.
Mila, z czuciem. Mila, z czuciem, delikatnie.
Dodging and ducking. Upgraded the hand warmers.
It's so cold.
It is chilly. I'll give you that. No doubt.
And I forgot all my gloves are in my
Bardzo ładnie. Wow.
Ted was not prepared to be freezing. Those kind of stinks. Shorts on, as long as you're out on the field, you're good. All you gotta do is barrel like that for 5 minutes. Get acclimated and you're rolling. Well, there you go.
Twoja Mila, i spokój, do boku, do boku. Brawo. Bardzo ładnie Mila.
Nice, nice, nice. There you go. How about that?
Brawo.
That's what you do.
Punch through in one point. What's up? No.
Poluj bramkę. Yes.
I thought she scraped her knee or something, but she fell and.
So she was refused. I mean, there wasn't any like crazy deformity or swelling yet, but she was like.
She could have sprained it though.
Yeah.
And stuff.
Yeah.
Strained it.
She's a tough kid too, so she was like hysterically good. For Betty, she was like that.
Yeah.
She has now.
Dude, I could imagine she is like ice cold right now.
You know, when you got that message, I was like, do you want a hammer? She's like, does she have one?
Yes, I do.
Does it matter? What is it?
Whatever one, just like if you want, there's a couple blankets in there, but.
What are those? These are toe warmers? You just hold on to them?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, they have like a sticky
All
part.
right, I'll give them
You just gotta shake them and like it. Otherwise, you need that one too.
so sweet.
Yeah, like those have like they have like an adhesive part on it.
Oh,
That they're supposed to like
Oh, so
stick
there's
to the
one for
bottom of
each?
your shoe.
You just shake it? She'll know what to do.
Those are the easiest.
Oh, poor Bree. Bree like was gonna go home. She was like pretty much like I'm exhausted. What do? You just shake it?
Yep, you just shake them.
And so she's like, oh, we have almost 15 minutes.
Here's
And she's got shitty insurance too. They're like on vacation mode, so she's got to go to
Here's
Edward.
another one. That's it.
Well, she's gonna go. I mean, they live in Edward, so they're gonna know. But I was like, just go right here because it's open. She could just walk right in and go get an X-ray right in.
Oh yeah.
Edward West one.
They were good last time.
Yes. Oh, but they have an X-ray, don't they? Where did they X-ray me up when you were there or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they can do X-ray. The Northwestern?
Northwestern, yeah, the one that's right there by
Wait, when did they get rid of the X-ray?
I was in St. Vincent, that's why I thought.
That's where I brought me to get her.
Yeah, that's where we went, and then they told us they switched it. It's part of
Look at you. Of course you guys would know where
But look at after yesterday's game.
Oh, it was nice. I had an MRI. We had to just got it right down the block and
when
split.
he fell out, he
No, not anymore. They changed it.
over summer. So he didn't